Molweni. Molweni. Good morning, Goeiemorgen. Deputy Mayor, Mr. Gqeberha van Niekerk, Mr. Mbangiseni Mabudapasi from Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, our Program Director, Director of UYILO E-Mobility Programme, Dr. Andrew De Vries, Acting Executive Commercialization at TIA, Technology Innovation Agency, Mr. Dayanandan Naidu, Director of Environmental Coordination at the Department of Transport, Ms. Pulane Manale, representative from Department of Electricity and Energy, Ms. Mvumikazi Bimbani, Director Climate Change Mitigation Sector Plan Implementation at the Department of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment, Dr. Mapula Changela, Director Automotive Department of Trade, Industry and Competition, Mr. Frank Stevens, Program Director, New Energy Vehicle Jet Program Management Office, Industrial Development Corporation, Mr. Nathan Fredericks, Head of Energy Secretariat at South African National Energy Development Institute, SANEDI, Prof. Samson Mampieli, Principal Deal Originator, Transport and Logistics Development, the Bank of Southern Africa, Ms. Phumzile Sibiya, moderators and panelists, distinguished guests, representatives from government, industry, academia, and our valued partners from TIA and DSTI. Colleagues, students, ladies and gentlemen, Molweni, Goeiemorgen, good morning. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to Nelson Mandela University, and in particular to this occasion, the UYILO E-Mobility 2025 Summit. We are honored to host you all here as we celebrate the innovation, collaboration, and vision in advancing South Africa's journey towards sustainable e-mobility. This year's theme, ensuring South Africa's participation in new energy vehicle and EV value chains as the global transition to e-mobility gains momentum, is both timely and transformative. It speaks directly to the global urgency of reimagining transport, not merely as a means of mobility, but as a key pillar in achieving a low-carbon, inclusive and sustainable economy. As the world transitions towards electric and alternative energy vehicles, it is important that South Africa not only keep pace, but takes an active, innovative and equitable role in shaping the NEV value chain from research and component manufacturing to skills development and local enterprise participation. UYILO, hosted within our institutional innovation entity called ANSA, has been a shining example of what collaborations between academia, government, and industry can achieve. UYILO has continually driven the vision of a cleaner, smarter and more connected transport ecosystem. Through research, testing facilities, pilot projects, and partnerships, the program has positioned South Africa as a continental leader in e-mobility innovation. Here at Nelson Mandela University, we are very proud that our Faculty of Engineering, the Built Environment and Technology, EBIT, continues to serve as the home to this important national program. The theme this year also reminds us that the importance of a just transition is one that creates new pathways for economic growth, skills development, and job creation, particularly within local enterprises and our local immediate communities. As we move towards NEV manufacturing and localization, we must ensure that no one is left behind and that the benefits of e-mobility, from cleaner air to new industries, are shared equitably. This is a moment to reaffirm our commitment to innovation with social impact, aligning our university's Vision 2030 to change the world through knowledge that serves humanity and our society. As we celebrate UYILO's success and look towards the future, let us continue to build on this strong foundation. Let this summit be a space for collaboration, reflection, and bold action to ensure that South Africa's participation in the global NEV value chain is not only sustainable, but truly transformative. On behalf of Nelson Mandela University, I wish to thank the UYILO team, the TIA, which is the Technology Innovation Agency, the DSTI, our Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, and all partners who have walked this journey together. We look forward to insightful discussions, innovative ideas, and renewed partnerships that will drive our shared vision together. Once again, welcome to Nelson Mandela University and to the UYILO Summit. Let's keep South Africa moving. Enkosi, Bayadanki, Asanteni sana. Thank you.